Welcome back, 18!
Sa isang recent TikTok live, isang fan ang nagtanong kay Josh tungkol kay Ken, lalo na matapos ma-deactivate ang kanyang TikTok account at sa kabila ng relentless bashing na natatanggap niya. As the kuya of the group, Josh responded with calmness and wisdom. Kung wala namang kaming natatapakan, specifically kay Ken, wala naman siyang sinasagasaan, hayaan niyo na lang yung tao. You should let them do their own thing, of course, when it comes for fashion, their appearances. And honestly, tama si Josh. Why should we concern ourselves about their style and fashion? Ang pananamit, hairstyle at overlook ng isang idol ay bahagi ng kanilang self-expression. It's their way of showing individuality, creativity, and authenticity. Hindi ito dapat gawing issue, lalo na kung wala naman silang inaagrabyado o sinasaktan. Kung tutuusin, ang natitira na lang na issue na ibinabato sa kanila ay ang kanilang style. Bakit? Dahil wala kayong maipukol na ibang kamalian sa kanila bilang idol group. They work hard, they respect their fans, and they don't do anything harmful. So bakit natin sila pipigilan sa paraan ng pagpapakita ng sarili nila? Idols, like any other artists, have their own identity. Hindi sila dapat ikahon sa iisang standard ng acceptable fashion or appearance. As long as their choices don't hurt themselves or other people, we should celebrate their uniqueness. Fashion is not rebellion, it's art, it's personality, it's freedom. Instead of criticizing, mas maganda i-channel natin ang energy natin to support them. Let's appreciate their courage to stand out, their creativity to inspire, and their authenticity to remain true to themselves. Kung ang idols natin ay nagpapakita ng individuality, dapat mas lalo natin silang mahalin dahil iyon ang tunay na artistry nila. In short, hayaan niyo sila. Respect their self-expression, support them, and celebrate their art.
Kamusta si Ken? Di ko alam eh. To be honest, di ko alam. I can't speak for anyone. Or, syempre kung ano yung ano nila. Pero, may mga nakikita ako na siguro sa internet ko ano-anong mga nakikita ko. Siguro ang ano ko lang dyan, take ko lang dyan. Of course, this is just me. I can't speak for my groupmates. Hindi ako sila. But it's not the first time na nangyari yung mga ganyan. Hindi ko naman din kontrolado yung mga preferences. But I feel like siguro minsan may mga times na dapat for example, I'm talking as Josh, and hindi ko alam kung ano yung, syempre yung naiisip din nung iba kung agree sila dito, but at the same time, di rin ako makapagsabi kung okay sila o hindi. Pero yung pag may ganun, parang you should let them do their thing. Of course, when it comes to fashion, their appearances, ako, sino man sa SB19, kung ano yung gusto nila. Kung si Pao, di ba, papalda, si Stel. I think this is not the first time that it happened. And Ken, Justin, or me, maybe we have different, siguro, beliefs and perspective when it comes to things like this. Nakikita ko sa dami nagsasabi kamusta, pero you shouldn't, siguro iwasan nyo yung, or alam niyo yun, if you, kung di nyo may di kayo trip kung ano yung ginagawa kuwari kay Ken, I feel like dapat, especially when it comes to appearances and fashion, you should let people express themselves. Ayun, kasi ano rin siya eh, kung mangyari sa akin yun, parang in a way I appreciate siguro the concern, pero that's still my body. Ganun yung take ko sa mga ganyan. Ayan. Parang, at least, diba? I know we guys are, of course, very approachable lahat, or merong mga kanya-kanyang siguro let's keep it healthy. Yun lang. Mahirap kasi sabi ko nga, diba, it wouldn't hurt at least to say nice things. Kung merong hindi swak sa preferences nyo, okay lang yun. Kasi kumbaga, wag na kayo mandamay. Yun na siguro. Nasa inyo na yun di ba? Kahit sino sa amin, feeling ko, kahit ako, hindi kayo gusto sa akin, may hindi kayo gusto kay Justin, may hindi kayo gusto sa kay Stel or what, kung ano man ang nila, pwede nyo namang sabihin din nicely, but I understand, hindi naman may iwasan yung mga ganyan. Pero maybe hindi naman ako makapagsabi kung sino yung okay o ano. Malay natin medyo, diba, iba-iba yung way ng mga tao mag-cope up. Ako honestly, it's the same thing. Hindi na ako active sa social media, mga ganyan. Ayoko na rin nagtitingin masyado. And most probably because I'm busy, diba? I have a lot of stuff to do. Kaysa sayangin ko yung oras ko magbasa ng negative stuff. Pero may mga dadaan pa rin minsan, may mga di ka may iwasan. Pero dapat siguro kahit pa paano, diba? Especially with what we do. Kung wala naman kaming natatapakan, lahat naman ginagawa lang yung thing nila. Sabihin natin specifically for Ken, diba? Wala naman siyang sinasagasaan. Hayaan nyo lang yung tao. Meron din kanya-kanyang buhay at kanya-kanyang ways of expressing themselves as well as the others. Kung natatawa nga ako minsan, diba? Parang kailangan nyo pa compare or anything, no? If they want to do what they want to do, they'll do it. Kung anong gusto nilang gawin nila. Kung ako, ito, hati yung buhok ko, ganyan. This is my life, this is my hair. I mean, let them do their stuff. Yun lang. And I'm not saying everyone, but maybe wag kayong magsabihan ng mga, I feel like learn to reflect. Everyone should learn to reflect. If you feel like may mga nasabi na kayo hindi maganda sa other people, baka hindi nyo alam, diba? Hindi rin nakakaganda yung mga ganun. Lalo lang tayo lahat dito, dapat appreciate na lang natin kung ano yung meron. Minsan hindi tayo aware, tayo na pala yung nakakasira ng mga dapat hindi naman nasisira. Pero at the same time, baka naman alam mo yun, it's okay to be emotional but controlled siguro. Be aware of the bigger picture, kasi hindi naman natin nakikita lahat. Hindi nyo naman kami nakakasama araw-araw, hindi naman kayo makapagsabi kung yung dapat tama at mali. There are things na happening for a reason. Maybe yung iba nadjudge nyo agad sa isang clip, sa isang video, but what about the bigger pictures, diba? Yun lang.